Your mother told you, stop cracking your fingers, you will get arthritis. But is that medically true? Or is it just an old wives' tale? The answer is no. That pop sound is not your bones rubbing together. It is cavitation. You are stretching the joint capsule, creating a vacuum that pulls nitrogen gas out of your synovial fluid. The sound is just a gas bubble popping. One doctor cracked the knuckles on his left hand for 60 years and never got arthritis. However, chronic crackers do have slightly weaker grip strength and more swollen hands over time. But arthritis? No evidence. So, if the noise annoys your family, stop. But medically, you are safe. You are not destroying your cartilage. Stop fearing your own body. Follow this page for medical facts, not fiction.